Before working on any part of your bike's electrical or drivetrain system, remove the battery. To install the rear fender, you'll need to remove the rear wheel. Flip the bike over, then carefully cut the zip tie securing the motor cable and disconnect it. Loosen the rear nuts, then lift the wheel from the dropout. With the wheel out of the way, attach the rear fender using the included hardware. Reinstall the rear wheel and reconnect and secure the motor cable. To install the front fender, first remove the nut and bolt securing the headlight in place. Now install the front fender using the included hardware on the bottom of the fork legs, then use the headlight bolt to secure the fender to the fork.